मदीयहृदयाकाशे सदानन्दमयो गुरुः उदेतु सततं सम्यक् स्वात्मानन्दप्रबोधकः। हरिः 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 ओम तत्सत्। जय गुरु जय गुरु जय गुरु। Shall we chant though jointly, or you will do it 12 times? Do it 12 times, short. Where is that sheet? The other day, how many shlokas you chanted? So today you chant Ahimsa Satyamasteyam, but it should not be the front two lines, from the back. Start 1, 2, third line. Ahimsa Satyam. I will recite it. Ahimsa Satyamasteyam. Shauchamatma Vinigraha. Etat Samasikam Dharmam. Chadurvarne Braveen Manu. Now the rhythm chant. Samasigam dharma. Chadurvanye, Chadurvanye Braveen Manuhu. I think, why don't you take the lead? Make them chant. Get up. And not that. The same sloka they should chant. You are not here? Then Sanjay tell them.
What Swamiji?
2 lines, the 2 rows of people chanted the other day. I want the others to chant.
Now the order has changed, Swamiji. The same people are not sitting in the front.
So what is the way? You tell me. So those who did not chant the earlier day, let them chant today.
किन्होंने चैंट नहीं किया? ज्योति जी.
What are you going to do? To them. One of you help them. Raj, can you do it? You help them by pointing 1, 2, 3. Now put a circle there.
Hello. Jai Guru. Ahimsa satyamasteyam shauchamindriyani anigraha.
You read what is there. Him. In English you say him.
Him.
Ahimsa.
Ahimsa satyamasteyam shauchamindriya.
Where is the dirgha there? Shaujamindriya nigraha.
Shauchamindriya nigraha.
It is not shau.
Shauchamindriya nigraha.
O-W.
Shauchamindriya nigraha.
Shaujamindriya nigraha. Shaujamindriya nigraha. Shaujamindriya nigraha.
Shauchamindriya nigraha. So I'll start again. Ahimsam satyamasteyam.
Samna. Ahimsa.
Ahimsa satyamasteyam shauchamindriya nigraha. Nigraha.
Can you not say ha? Indriya nigraha.
Ahimsa satyamasteyam shauchamindriya nigraha. Etat samasikam dharmam chaturvarnare abraveen manuh.
Varnye.
Chaturvarne braveen manuh.
Say once again.
Ahimsa satyamasteyam shaucham indriya nigraha.
Shaujam indriya nigraha.
Shaucham indriya nigraha. Etat samasikam dharmam chaturvarne
braveen manuh.
Chaturvarne abraveen manuh.
The next.
जय गुरु। अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्णे ब्रवीन्मनुः।
Once more.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्णे ब्रवीन्मनुः।
Good.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्ण्ये अब्रवीन्मनुः।
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन्मनुः।
चातुर्वर्ण्ये अब्रवीन्मनुः।
Very sa there. Very sa.
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन्मनुः।
Once more.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन्मनुः।
Very good. See, these are children of North. They are chanting it very well. There is no excuse for anybody. You should use your tongue, teeth and lips properly.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन्मनुः।
Very good.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन्मनुः।
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन्मनुः।
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन्मनुः।
Next.
अहिंसा सत्य अस्तेयम्। अहिंसा सत्यम अस्तेयम् शौचम इंद्रिय निग्रहः।
शौचम ना शौ।
शौचम
OW. Owl.
शौचम इंद्रिय निग्रहः।
Pound.
एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्णे ब्रवीन्मनुः।
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्णे ब्रवीन्मनुः।
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन्मनुः।
चातुर्वर्णे ब्रवीन्मनुः।
You are not stressing bra. Ba plus ra. Bra.
ब्रवीन्मनुः। चातुर्वर्णे ब्रवीन्मनुः।
Try.
Shall I read again? अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्णे ब्रवीन्मनुः
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन्मनुः
चातुर्वर्णे ब्रवीन्मनुः
Yes.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेय शौचमिन्द्रिय निग्रह एतत् सामासिक धर्म सामासिकं धर्म चातुर्वर्ण्ये अब्रेनमनोः
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन्मनुः
चातुर्वर्ण्ये अब्रेनमनोः चातुर्वर्ण्ये अब्रेनमनोः
ठीक नहीं हुआ.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रह एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्णे ब्रवीन्मनुः
वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन्मनुः
चातुर्वर्णे ब्रवीन्मनुः
all of them who did not recite.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचम् इन्द्रियनिग्रह एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्ण्ये अब्रवीन्मनुः.
You know Sanskrit? So, when you put the agraha, you don't pronounce the a separately. Chaturvarnye breveenmanu. If you add a, one letter will be extra there. And that will be violating the understood meter. Understand? Say once again.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचम् इन्द्रियनिग्रह एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्ण्ये अब्रवीन्मनुः. अच्छा चातुर्वर्ण्ये अब्रवीन्मनुः.
You have to be more musical, poetic.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्णे ब्रवीन्मनुः.
Very good, very good.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः इन्द्रियनिग्रहः शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः.
Acha, what is the trouble with all of you? There is no difference between E and E.
Indriya.
Indriya. Then why you are saying Indriya?
Indriya. अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः
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 इंद्रियनिग्रहः
शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः.
You repeat इंद्रियनिग्रहः
इंद्रियनिग्रहः इंद्रियनिग्रहः इंद्रियनिग्रहः.
You are elongating.
इंद्रियनिग्रहः.
बोलिए ना a few times.
शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः.
फूल. इंद्रियनिग्रहः 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 इंद्रियनिग्रहः
इंद्रियनिग्रहः इंद्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन् मनुः
मनु का
मनुः
you should pronounce what is written. Here, look with the eyes. Hear with your ears. See whether the eyes see and the ears hear correctly. ठीक है, अच्छा हो गया.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन् मनुः.
Good. Okay.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन् मनुः.
सत्यम इंद्रिय ऐसा नहीं है. सत्यम इंद्रिय निग्रह, सत्यम इंद्रिय निग्रह, सत्यम इंद्रिय निग्रह.
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन् मनुः.
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन् मनुः.
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन् मनुः.
वैसा
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन् मनुः.
ब्रवीन् मनुः.
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन् मनुः.
Anybody?
अहिंसा सत्यमस्तेयं शौचमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः एतत् सामासिकं धर्मं चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन् मनुः.
ब्रवीन्
मनुः.
ब्रवीन् मनुः.
ब्रवीन् मनुः. ब्रवीन्
like milk and water, that nma.
ब्रवीन् मनुः.
Is there not a Hindi word with na and ma? Is there a Hindi word na and ma? Unmada, you say, is it not? Abraveen manuh.
अब्रवीन् मनुः.
Manu nahi.
मनुः.
ब्रवीन् मनुः.
ब्रवीन् मनुः.
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन् मनुः.
चातुर्वर्ण्ये ब्रवीन् मनुः.
What shall we do now? Shall we go to the next verse? Huh? Do you want me to recite or can they recite themselves? बोर्ड में लगा देना. अरे तुम तो अच्छी तरह बोला ना. हाँ 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 वो बोलेगा. ठीक है. शनि recite. This is a very good verse for learners. Chup. For learners, it may be a little difficult, but that is a very good verse. Vancha. See that letter you have difficulty. Cha. Vancha. It is not ja. Vancha. वाञ्छा सज्जन संगमे परगुणे प्रीतिर्रौ नम्रता प्रीतिर्रौ नम्रता विद्यायां यशसनं स्वयोषिरिः लोकाभवदाद्भयम् भक्ति शूलिनी शक्तिरात्मदमने संसर्गमुक्तिखलेषु एषु भवन्ति निर्मलना तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः When you recite and I hear, I am very ecstatic. In Delhi, I was teaching a session. You know, there were people from Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Telugu, Kerala, Gujarat, Maratha. All these people were there. And all of them were reciting. I think we have a record of it. If Ma has got it, we would like you to hear it. So this is one language which unifies people. And mind you, in this language, people spoke and others heard. They never wrote. The way of learning is the teacher recites it. Then he asks the students to recite it 4 times, each line. And by the time they complete it, initially it will be difficult, after some time they learn. There is a poet by name Murari. What? Murari. Can you write the slogan? Eka Bharya. See, the teacher was teaching and this Murari apparently slept. Student. So the teacher mockingly said, Darubhuto Murari. He has become like a piece of log. But actually he had not slept. He heard it. Instantly he responded to it in a very magnificent, poetic manner. Eka bharya prakriti chapala achanchala chadvidiya putro nanga tribhuvanajayi manmatho durnivara sheshashaya pasadirudadhi vahanam pannagari smaram swagrihacharidam darubhuto murari. This is actually a description of Mahavishnu. Mahavishnu started thinking about his family story. And after thinking about it, he became like a piece of log. Why? He has got 2 wives. Eka bharya. One bharya is Prakriti Chapala. She is Mahalakshmi. She will never remain with anybody. Go on changing. So she is Chapala. This is his wife, one of them. Achanchala Jadvidiya. The second wife is Bhumi. And Bhumi is unshakable. So his two wives are not available for him. One is Mahalakshmi going seeking different people, and Bhumi will never respond. She is patient and tolerant. Putro Nangaha Tribhuvanajayi. He has got a son, Manmatha, and he has controlled over the whole world. Putro Nangaha Tribhuvanajayi. Tribhuvanajayi Manmatho Durnivaraha. And he cannot be controlled. This kind of a son. This is Lord Mahavishnu's family story. Sheshashaya. Sheshashaya. Where is he sleeping? On a cobra. Vasadiludadi. And where? On the sea. Anytime he will be drowned. Vahanam Pannagari. His vehicle is Garuda. And Garuda and Cobra, they are wonderful. Smaram, Smaram, Swagrihacharidam. Thinking of this kind of a family that he has. Darubhuto Brahari. Lord Mahavishnu. He became like a lord. महाविष्णु is said to be always sleeping. सभी समय सोते हैं. यदि कोई प्रश्न होता है भूमि पर, लोगों को वहाँ जानकर उनको जगाना चाहिए. So he is administering the creation sleepingly. Prem, are you hearing me? I want you to be like him. Without any halla gulla, you should be able to do all your work. He is sleeping and administering the whole creation. So, why did I say this? Why did I say? Huh?
There was a poet called Murari, and then we started this.
But why did I speak about Murari now? I am not able to remember. Is it not interesting, this particular sloka? A student, yes, those were the times when teacher was teaching and students were learning, and anybody inattentive was pointed out by the teacher. Many things have happened. There are other students also of different dimensions. This is the story of Murari. So, the teaching was very, very effective. This boy was listening with rapt attention. Maybe he closed his eyes. He was more brilliant than the other students. So he was, not like this. And then the teacher got it back. So, let us go to the other verse. Meanwhile, let me ask you, one day we had said that we will try for at least the number of days I am here, that you will drop your desire. And all of you agreed. Do you remember it? And are you following it? Those people who have dropped their desires for the number of days, please raise your hands. Okay. See, the moment you drop your desires, Sage Vasishtha says, God instantly starts looking after you. This man has no desire. All others have. Now what shall he do? He has no desire, so everything of his, I should look after myself. So he becomes your chief. CEO. he becomes the CEO of your family empire. So you start Vancha. Where from you shall start? खुशी से बिना डर कर बोलो।
वांछा सज्जन संग में पर गुने, वांछा सज्जन संग में पर गुने, प्रीति गुरौ नम्रता, विद्यायां व्यसनं स्वयोषिति रतिः, लोकापवादात् भयं, भक्तिशूलिनी शक्तिरात्मदमनेन दमने भक्तिशूलिनी शक्तिरात्मदमनेन संसर्गमुक्तिखलेषु एते येषु भवन्ति, एते येषु भवन्ति।
दीर्घ हो गया।
येषु 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 एते येषु भवन्ति,
येषु 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 येषु
येषु एते येषु भवन्ति, येषु
एते येषु भवन्ति, येषु भवन्ति, येषु भवन्ति, येषु भवन्ति।
एते येषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः।
वाह वाह। Very good. His voice is changing. What is your age? Huh?
वांछा सज्जन संग में पर गुणे प्रीति गुरो नमः। वांछा सज्जन संग में पर गुणे प्रीतिर्गुरो, प्रीति गुरो नम्रता, प्रीतिर्गुरो नम्रता, प्रीतिर्गुरो नम्रता, विद्यायां व्यसनं स्वयोषिति रतिः, लोकापवादात् भयं,
लोकापवादात् लोकापवादात् लोकापवादात्
लोकापवादात् भयं, लोकापवादात् भयं, भक्तिः शूलिनी शक्ति, भक्तिः शूलिनी, भक्तिः शूलिनी शक्ति,
शूलिनी
भक्तिः शूलिनी शक्तिरात्मदमने,
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 आत्मदमने,
शक्तिरात्मदमने, संसर्गमुक्तिः खलेषु एते येषु भवन्ति,
येषु
एते येषु
येषु भवन्ति, येषु भवन्ति,
एते एते येषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः।
Say once again.
वांछा सज्जन संग में परगुणे प्रीतिर्गुरौ नम्रता, विद्यायां व्यसनं स्वयोषिति रतिः, लोकापवादात् भयं, भक्तिः शूलिनी शक्तिरात्मदमने, संसर्गमुक्तिः खलेषु एते येषु भवन्ति एते येषु भवन्ति
येषु भवन्ति एते येषु भवन्ति
एते येषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः
वाञ्छा सज्जन संगमे परगुणे प्रीतिर्गुरौ नम्रता विद्यायां व्यसनं सयोषितिरतिः लोकापवादात् भयं भक्तिः शूलिनी शक्तिरात्मदमने संसर्गमुक्तिः खलेषु एते येषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः।
अच्छा हो गया।
वाञ्छा सज्जन संगमे परगुणे प्रीतिर्गुरौ नम्रता विद्यायां व्यसनं स्वयोषितिरतिः लोकापवादात् भयं भक्तिः शूलिनी शक्तिरात्मदमने संसर्गमुक्तिः खलेषु एते येषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः।
वाञ्छा सज्जन संगमे परगुणे प्रीतिर्गुरौ नम्रता विद्यायां व्यसनं सयोषितिरतिः लोकापवादाभ्यं भक्तिशूलिनी शक्तिरात्मदमने संसर्गमुक्तिः खलेषु एतेषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः।
You have to be more specific, clear. भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः निर्मलगुणाः निर्मलगुणाः।
वाञ्छा सज्जन संगमे परगुणे प्रीतिर्गुरौ नम्रता विद्यायां व्यसनं स्वयोषितिरतिः लोकापवादात् भयं भक्तिः शूलिनी शक्तिरात्मदमने संसर्गमुक्तिः खलेषु एतेषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः। एतेषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः।
You have no musical sense. भजन करती हो?
Should I try again?
You have to chant it and get it. A little rough.
वाञ्छा सज्जन संगमे परगुणे प्रीतिर्गुरौ नम्रता।
परगुणे ऐसा नहीं है। परगुणे प्रीति गुरौ नम्रता।
वाञ्छा सज्जन संगमे परगुणे प्रीतिर्गुरौ नम्रता।
गुणे ऐसा ज्यादा नहीं है बेटी।
वाञ्छा सज्जन संगमे परगुणे प्रीतिर। Will try स्वामी जी।
ठीक अच्छा ही है। These are all refinements. Correct.
वाञ्छा सज्जनसङ्गमे परगुणे प्रीतिर्गुरौ नम्रता विद्यायां व्यसनं स्वयोषितिरतिः लोकापवादाद्भयम् भक्तिः शूलिनी शक्तिरात्मदमने संसर्गमुक्तिः खलेषु एते येषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः एते येषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः.
She has more music.
Should I chant, Swamiji?
Why are you asking me?
Because I was the coordinator. Vancha sajjana sangame paragune प्रीतिर्गुरौ नम्रता विद्यायां व्यसनं स्वयोषितिमिरतिः लोकापवादाद्भयम् भक्तिः शूलिनी शक्तिरात्मदमने संसर्गमुक्तिः खलेषु एते येषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः I lost the breath. एते येषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः एते येषु भवन्ति निर्मलगुणाः तेभ्यो नरेभ्यो नमः.
Stop. Sanjay, he has gone?
He has gone to gate. He has gone up to gate to bring medicine, to collect medicine. He has gone up to the gate to collect medicine.
Okay. See, this is a very important principle of grammar. Visarga, 2 dots. That visarga, when sandhi, 2 words are combined together, this visarga will have change. It's called mutation. So when the visarga is followed by a khara, kharakshara, say kharakshara. Aksharas, letters are divided into hard and soft. Hard and soft. When visarga is followed by a kharakshara, the visarga will remain there. It will not change. But when it is followed by a mrudu, either it will change into ra or it will be dropped. Will you remember this? Which are the kharaksharas? Ka, kha, cha, cha, ta, tha, ta, tha, pa, bha, pa, pha. Then sha, sha and sa. All the others are soft. The ka and kha are called khara and adhikhara. Say? Khara and adhikhara. Actually, from the khara, adhikhara is formed. How it is formed? By adding hagara. Ka plus ha. Ka, ka, ka. It becomes ka. Similarly, cha. Similarly, ta. Similarly, ta and pa. So I have a suggestion that we should have a different signal symbol. If you add it with ka, it becomes ka. So we can save the same applies to ga and ka also. So we can save 9 keys from the keyboard and people will pronounce it better. Many people in the Kerala, their pronunciation of ka, In my young days, my father tried his level best to make me pronounce pa. I did not understand him, I could not do it. When I grew up, I learned it myself. So, can you write this sloka? There is a beautiful sloka which tells you what happens to Visarga when it is followed by Kharakshara. Kaka Krishna, Piga Krishna, Ko Bheda, Piga Kakayoho, Vasandakale Samprapte, Kaka Kaka Piga Piga. Do you like it? Crow is black. The nightingale also is black. When you look at them, there will not be much change. So, Kaka Krishna, Krishna means black. Pika Krishna, Ko Bhedaha Pika Kagayoho. What is the difference when you see both of them? The difference is Vasandakale Samprapte. When the spring season comes, it says like that. But nightingale will sing beautiful. The Panchamaswara is taken from nightingale. Vasanta Kale Samprapte Kaka Kaka Piga Piga. The crow remains a crow and Piga becomes Piga. Kaka Krishna Piga Krishna. Ko Bheda Piga Kakayoho Vasanta Kale Samprapte Kaka Kaka Piga Piga. Say that. How many Visargas are there? Kaka Krishna, Piga Krishna, Ko Bheda. See? Ko Bheda. It is not Kaha Bheda. That Bha is actually Mrudu. Therefore the Visarga is changed into Ko. Ko Bheda Pika Kakayo Vasanta Kale Samprapte Kaka Kaga, Piga, Piga. Children are taught this, then they will remember. See, in Sanskrit you have 2000 verbs. 2000 verbs. And we have got 20 upasargas. Upasarga means what? Prefix. So each Kriyapada has got 20 derivations. So how many Kriyas do we have? 2000 into 20? This is Sanskrit language. It is not like inform, perform, conform. See, the word prefix in, it does not have the same meaning. Inflow, insurmountable, inform, incorrect. It doesn't have the same meaning. But in Sanskrit, these upasargas have the same meaning. Upadhyakshaha, upasamidihi, upamandrihi, upagadihi. The word upa means samibe. It is very close to Upanishad. Upakhanda. So, to make students understand, there is a beautiful verse. Upasargena dhatvarthaha beladanyatra niyade prahara ahara sambhara vihara pariharavad. If you teach them, they become very sure. What is that? Upasargena, by adding upasargas, dhatvarthaha, the meaning of dhadus, verbal roots. Belad anyatra niyade. The upasarga draws the meaning of words, meaning of kriyapadas draws it away. And he gives example. Hari, Hari. Hari is the dhatu. Prahara, Ahara, Samhara, Vihara, Pariharavad. The same Hari dhatu is given 5 upasargas and each has a different meaning. What does it mean? Prahara, beat. Ahara, eat. Samhara, kill. Parihara, redress. Prahara, ahara, samhara, vihara, pariharavad. Will not learning be easy? Huh? No, yes. Huh? Why are you keeping quiet? Will not learning be easy? Prahara, ahara, join. Put a hyphen. Huh? We have stopped. All the 3 of them chanted the slokas very well. Vancha, Sajjana, Sangam, by heart. Many of them did. They are doing very well, very well. Don't tell me that you cannot pronounce well. The Hindi-speaking people have to understand that whatever is written, you have to pronounce. Only when you put halant, you can say Rama, it says. You say Ram. But if we have to say Ram, we will put a halant. Pariharavad, Pariharavat. ठीक है. Are you happy or unhappy?
प्रबुद्धं विमुक्तं विकारादिहीनं प्रसन्नं सदा नित्यबोधस्वरूपं परं निश्चलं निर्गुणं सर्वरूपं भजेऽहं सदानुस्मरामि प्रणौमि प्रबुद्धं विमुक्तं विकारादिहीनं प्रसन्नं सदा नित्यबोधस्वरूपं परं निश्चलं निर्गुणं सर्वरूपं भजेऽहं सदानुस्मरामि प्रणौमि.